Top 10 travel tips you need to know before your next adventure. Number 1. Search and plan ahead. Why it matters. Knowing the best time to visit local customs and must-see attraction can make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Number 2, packed smart. Why it matters. Packing light and efficiently saves you stress and hassle. Tip: roll your clothes to save space and use packing cubes for organization. Number 3, stay connected. Why it matters. Keeping in touch with loved ones and accessing maps and travel apps can be crucial. Tip: buy a local SIM card or an international data plan. Number 4, be financially prepared. Why it matters. Ensuring you have access to funds and understanding the local currency can prevent financial mishaps. Tip: carry a mix of cash and cards and inform your bank of your travel plans. Five, embrace local culture. Why it matters. Respecting local customs enriches your travel experience and fosters positive interactions. Tip: learn basic phrases in the local language and observe local etiquette. Number 6, stay healthy. Why it matters. Staying healthy ensures you can enjoy your trip to the fullest. Tip: drink plenty of water, eat well, and carry a basic first aid kit. Number 7, safety first. Why it matters. Staying safe means you will have a worry-free trip. Tip: keep your valuables secure. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid risky areas. Number 8, use technology. Why it matters. Travel apps can enhance your travel experience and provide useful information. Tip: download maps, translation apps, and travel guides before you leave. Number 9, capture memories. Why it matters. Photos and videos help you remember and share your experiences. Tip: take photos but also take time to enjoy the moment without a screen. And lastly, number 10, be flexible and open-minded. Why it matters. Sometimes the best experiences come from unexpected moments.